to Monkey Art! Today we are going to draw a beautiful kitten in a cup called Luna. And we're gonna hear a story about her as well. So let's get started. Luna was a magical kitten who found a small cup and climbed inside. Suddenly, she shrunk down to the size of a teacup. Luna explored her home in a whole new way, climbing curtains and riding a ladybug. She found a garden and rode floating lily pads. When she returned to the cup, her owner found her with a smile. Luna knew the world was full of magic and adventure, big and small. Let's make a face for our beautiful kitten. We're gonna draw like a circle, semicircle here and here, just like that. Then we're gonna go all the way up draw a shape just like this. And let's draw one more. Beautiful. Let's draw her eyes. And color in. Nice. Okay, let's add some ears. Nice, we have 2 ears now. So this is a little bit thinner. So I'm gonna add one more line, just like that. Now let's go a little bit down and draw her little paws. Just like this. Wow, it's looking really cute. Okay, now let's draw that little cup. Need a little dot here. Nice. Now we need to draw a little handle. We can just make a half circle like that. And there we go. I'm gonna add one more shape at the bottom. And you know what can we draw on the cup? We can draw a beautiful heart. Wow, there we go. Now let's go and color it. So first we can use a little bit of blue. Color all around the pupils. Nice. We're done with blue. Let's use some other color. What do we have here? Oh, it's red. Let's color. Let's make this heart red. Nice. Now we're gonna use, what's this, I wonder? Oh, it's yellow. Okay, and we can also add a little line here. Here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need this one. Let's color her ears. Nice. Let's make now some shapes and color them as well. You can make whatever shapes you want. I'm gonna make it something like this. Wow, it's looking wonderful. This kitten is super cute. I'm gonna use a little bit more. This one. Cute. And we're gonna need some color. I'm gonna use red to color its little nose. You can use pink if you like. There we go. And we have completed our beautiful kitten Luna. And now we can add it a little check mark because it's completed. And we can give it a little heart because we love our little Luna. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.